Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator app. So as you can see, this is the official app of Google Authenticator. So first of all, make sure to go to your Play Store or App Store and open your App Store, and on here just search like Google Authenticator or just search Authenticator, and you will find the app of Google Authenticator. So go to this app, and this is the official app of Google Authenticator. So make sure to download this app, and once you download the app, just go to the home section of this app. So just open the app and you will see an interface. As you can see, this my email is already logged in. So let's say you don't have any email logged in, so you will find an option to just log in with your email account. So as you can see, I'm showing you how you can add it. So just enter your email, fill in the password, and once you do it, you will see an interface like this. So let's say you do not save any of the passwords on this section, so you won't see any of the codes on this section. And after that, once like you want to add any code, so just click on this plus icon on the below right corner, and on here you can see enter a setup key or scan a QR code. So just you can do that as this is the manual, you want to add something, and this is like the scan a QR code. So let's say you want to scan the QR code and scan the code and add it, so you will be like able to add the code in this section. And on the upper left corner you will see like these three lines, like this is a transfer account and settings, and in settings you will find like a privacy screen option. Like this is basically you want to add fingerprint or like you want to add a face ID, so you can enable this from this setting, and after that you can go back and check this section as well, so how it works. So just visit this section, and after that you will be able to see like how you can add the code, and that is a simple and easy process of how you can log in with your email account, add the code and save it in your Google Authenticator. So that is a simple guide on how to use Google Authenticator.